Hello everyone, welcome back to this Nodejs video series. In the last video we learned about how to import another JavaScript file into our Node.js application using require function. In today's video we will create nodes.js which we need in future because we are working on this nodes app, and also we will learn about how to install npm packages in our node application. Let's remove the old code, put it aside, and let's go into the nodes.js now. So we are creating constant nodes, which is nothing but the function which will return nodes for us. So to keep it simple, as of now we will just return the text your nodes. So this is our method nodes which will return our nodes. So how to export this method? Using module.exports. So we will pass nodes to this module.export. Now let's go to our app.js file. Using require function we will import it in our application file. So require, and then in single quote we will give the path dot forward slash and the nodes file we will select. So we will use console.log to call this function and print the result. So let's run node and then file name to execute the application. So here is the console log. So it is working perfectly. Now here I think we should keep the name get nodes, as this is a method. So get nodes should be the proper name for this method. So let's save the changes and run the application again. So it is working fine perfectly for the changes. So now how to get rid of this command that we need to again means repeatedly for each and every change we need to use node and then this syntax to run the application. How we can get rid of this? So there is a package, npm package, that we need to install globally, and that package is nodemon. So why we need this package? Using this nodemon, as this is already installed for me, so I will directly use this nodemon command. So nodemon and then the file name. So using this command I will run my application, but now the difference is for each and every change it will auto run the entire application. I don't need to again repeatedly, I don't need to execute this command. So you can check, I have made the changes and I saved it, so automatically it reload the application, it rerun the application for the changes. So it will detect the change and rerun the application. So this is about nodemon. Now for installing any npm package, the standard resource that we will look into is npmjs.com. So the most common npm package that we are going to use in our application is validator.js. So this is most common scenario, right? In every application we need to validate the data. It could be a email, it could be a mobile number, it could be anything like which we need to validate. So this is the most common used validator.js npm package which validates the string based on what is our requirement. So these are all methods that we can use. So let's go to our application. To first of all we need to initialize our application so that we can install any npm package. So the command is npm init, and then it will ask you a couple of questions to create the package.json file. So remember, every application will have a package.json if we want to install any npm packages. So when we do npm init, it will ask you couple of questions to create that package.json. So most of the thing I am keeping everything as a default. You can see in a bracket default value is there for version and other details. So here it is. I have created the no. So here it is. Package.json is created, and you can see now I can install any package. So I will copy this command to install npm package, that is our validator package. So npm I validator. So you can see this package.lock.json is created, and this is our package which is stored in the node module folder. So node module folder will be created, and inside node modules all the packages will be saved. And let's go and check package.json. So in package.json you will see a dependency. In the dependency object you will see the list of all those packages that we have installed along with its version. So let's use this recently installed npm package. How to use it? Again we will create a constant and we will use require function, and directly we can use our validator package. So single quote, it will auto suggest you validator package that we have installed. And let's see example here. So here in the example it is shown that how to validate the email. So let's implement that scenario. So here I will remove the console, and okay, so let me add my own email over here to test this validator dot is email method. So this is my email, and let me test it. So I have already saved the changes, you can see. So it is successfully run, and I am getting true as a value. So let me make some mistake in my email. Let me save the change. Now it should return false. So let me save it, and you can see I am getting false. So this is how we can install any npm package in our node application. So that's it for this video. So see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.